For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. To make this star, I'm going to just take the end and make a little loop, just so that end is closed there. And then we're going to take our pliers and we're going to start to form the star. So we're just going to bend that in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and in. Now to line them up, we're just going to push this across so that's like a straight line. This is straight, that's straight, and that's straight. You can adjust it as you need. And then we'll take our marker or ring cone, bring this one around. You can clip this end, or if you want to make it more finished, just take the end and bring it in a little loop to close it off. Push it like that. That'll just close off the end a bit. Adjust it how you like, and there you have your super easy star ring.